Good morning, students. Today we are going to next chapter, linear equation in one variable. So we know what is the equation. See, in mathematics, English alphabet letters A, B, C to Z. A, B, C and Z. So these are we are called variables. Constants 1, 2, 3. These are we are called constants. So we know variable means A, B, C. English alphabet letters we are called variables, and constants. Mathematics numbers we are called constant. See here, variables and constants connect to any mathematical operation, that is called equation. So here x 3. Here x is a one variable, 3 is a one constant. But x and constant connect with any mathematical operation. So here addition. So x plus 3. This is one equation. So here something. Next one. 2x plus 4. This is one equation. 2x plus 4. So here what is linear equation? What is a linear equation? Here see, we know equations. Equations means variables and constants connect with any mathematical operation, that is called equation. Now what is a linear equation? So here linear equation means, here see, here this equation degree 1. So this is a degree. X power how much? There is no number, that means 1. So here a degree is 1, this equation. Next one, 2x plus 4, 5 is equal to 5. So here x degree how much? 1. Next, x square plus 2, 4 is equal to x square something 6. Here x square plus 4 is equal to 16. Degree is 2. X square plus 4 is equal to 16. Degree is here 2. So now comes to point, what is a linear? See, so a equation of degree is 1, that is a linear equation. So here 2x plus 4 is a 5. So this is a linear equation. Here degree how much? 1. So this is a linear equation. Next one, 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 6. Here degree 1. So this is also linear equation. But here both one difference what? Here see, only one variable, here two variables. So this is called linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Now clear? So this is So here linear equation in one variable, linear equation is a two variables. Here 2x plus 3y, this is a one variable, this is a one variable. Two variables. Here one variable. So this is linear equation in one variable are also called simple equation. Now clear? Here see next one. Like ax plus b is equal to c. Ax plus b is equal to c. Here where a comma b comma c are constants. X is a variable. This is called linear equation or simple equation. So ax plus b or ay plus b or cx plus d constants we are take anyone. Just example you are asked sir a b c d are variables you said. Just this is express in the equation, or you take here 5x plus 6 is equal to 9. 5x plus 6 is equal to 9. 5, 6, 9 are constants. So x is a variable. This is called linear equation or simple equation. Now what is a linear equation? A equation has degree only one. That equation is a linear equation. There is in that equation only one variable given. That is a linear equation in one variable. Two variables given. That is a linear equation in two variables. Let's see here some example problems we are checking. So these equations main one variables given. We find the variables value, that is. So here solve the equation. Solve the equation. 3y plus 39 is equal to 80. So here 3y plus 39 is equal to 80. In previous class only we are discussed what this total expression we are called LHS. L means left, H means hand, S means side, left hand side. This is RHS, right hand side. So LHS RHS is equal, that is variable value we find. Not equal variable we cannot find the variable value. So here 3y plus 39 is equal to 80. So here see plus term transform plus term transform RHS. So RHS are LHS, LHS are RHS, any side. So minus sign coming, minus term transform Cross out term transform division term transform cross out. So here now LHS side plus transform into RHS. So here coming minus term or RHS plus term transforming LHS. So here we get minus term. So here now these plus term moving to RHS, 3y is equal to 89, 8 minus 39. 3y is equal to 8 minus 39. So here 3y 39 minus 8. How much? One positive term, one negative term. Both are we are subtract 31 minus. Here 39 is a large number, has a minus symbol, minus 31. So 3 moving this 1. 3 moving RHS. Here 3 into y. So this is a moving divided by y equal to minus 31 by 3. So y value how much? Minus 31 by 3. So this is a right answer or wrong answer. Once we are substitute LHS, 3y plus 39 is equal to 8. Y value how much? Minus 31 by 3. 3 cross out. Minus 31 by 3 plus 39 is equal to 8. 3 cancel. Only cross out symbol given, cancellation. Plus minus not given, don't cancellation. So minus 31 plus 13, 80. So 8 equal to 8. Actually here 39 minus 31. Easily every child without thinking sir 8 are 7. But this is a reverse asking, minus 31 plus 39. Here confusing. So this is also same answer. Here one positive, one negative, one positive, one negative numbers given. That numbers is subtract. So always large number subtract small number, subtract from large number, we get something. So large number has which side? Their answer also same, difference also that side. So here 8 RHS LHS is equal. So y value is 31 by 3. Next. So these are very important in 7th class. Equation, simple equation. In that lesson also I said, once again I repeated that terms. So everyone keep in your mind. Next, 7 by 4 minus p is equal to 11. So here see, variables always we are show in the positive, but here not here given negative. So these variable moving RHS 7 by 4 is equal to 11 plus p. 7 by 4 is equal to 11 plus p. So 11 moving this side RHS. So 7 by 4 minus 11 is equal to p. 7. Here denominator is 1. 1 into 7, 7. Minus 4 into 11, 44. 4 into 1, 4. P. So minus 44 plus 7. How much? Minus 37 by 4 is equal to to P. So P value how much? Minus 37 by 4. Here see. 44 minus 7. 37. 7 minus 44. Minus 37. Here one positive, one negative. Subtract 37. So here positive number, large number has a positive, so plus sign. Here one positive, one negative, subtract. Large number has a negative sign, we are keeping negative. Next one, we are going to exercise. Copy this one. Next one, exercise 1. Very easy. These exercise, once you are concentration on the class, you can feel, oh, very easy. So here, exercise 2.1, first problem, solve the following simple equation. Solve the following simple equation. Solve the following simple equation. So here 6m is equal to 12. 6m is equal to 12. What is the variable value? So 6 multiply with which number? 12 coming. We know easily. 6 2s are 12. So here we needed 2. So here see. M equal to 6 transforming LHS, RHS 6 by 12 by 6. So these 6 transforming to RHS divided by. Now both are 6 1 jar, 6 2 jar, 2 by 1. Denominator 1 is no value. So m value is 2. Once you are check, 6m is equal to 12. M value how much we will get? We have 2. Is 12. 6 2 is 12. 12. So LHS, RHS is equal. As is every variable value, how much? So these all problems this like only. Next one, 14p minus 42. 14p minus 42. What is the p value? So here p equal to 14 moving to RHS. Here cross out. Moving to RHS, transforming any side, division. Minus 42 by 14. 14 1 jar, 14 3 jar, minus 3. Next one, minus 5y. So once you are check, 14p is equal to minus 42. So p value how much? Minus 3. 14 cross out minus 3 minus 40. 14 3s are 42 minus 42. LHS Next one. 5p minus 5p is equal to 30. 5y. So minus 5 moving to RHS. Y equal to 30 by minus 5. Minus 5 ones are minus 5. Minus 5 minus 6 are 30. So here y value is minus 6. Once we are check. Now clear? 5 1 jar, 5 6 jar. Here minus, so minus 6. Minus 5y is equal to 30. Minus 5. Y value minus 6 is equal to 30. 5 6 jar 30. Minus into minus plus 30. Next one. 2x is equal to 12. Minus 2x is equal to 12. So x equal to 12 by minus 2. So 2 1 jar, 2 6 jar. So minus 6. Here check once. Minus 2x equal to 12. Minus 2, x value minus 6. So 12. 2 6 jar 12. Minus into minus. Plus 12 plus 12. LHS is equal to RHS. Both are equal. Next, fifth one. 34x is equal to minus 51. So we x equal to minus 51 by 34. Both are which table coming? 17 twos are yes, 17 threes are minus 3. Minus 3 by 2. X value minus 3. Minus 3 by 2. So x value. So once we are checked. 34 x equal to minus 15. 34 minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 15. Here see. 2 1 jar, 2 17 jar. So 17 3 jar minus 51 minus 51. LHS is equal to RHS. Sixth one. Next one. N by P, n by 7 is equal to minus p. So 7 moving to RHS, here division symbol. Moving to RHS, cross out. N equal to minus 3 cross out 7 minus 21. So check. N by 7 is equal to minus 3. N value minus 21 by 7 minus 3. 7 1 jar, 7 3 jar. So minus 3 minus 3. LHS, RHS is equal. So all problems as it is this like only. Here see seventh one. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. So 2x equal to 3 2x equal to 54. X equal to, now 2 transforming RHS, 54 by 2. 2 1 jar, 2 27 jar. X equal to 27. So once we are check, 2x by 3 is 18. X value how much? 27. 2 cross out 27 by 3 is equal to 18. 3 1 jar, 3 9 jar. So 2 into 9, 18 is equal to 18. RHS is equal, LHS is equal to RHS. So this like every problem as is this process. Here 3x plus 1 is equal to 16. Here 3x is equal to 1 transforming to RHS. So here plus term moving to RHS minus term. 16 minus 1. X equal to 3x equal to 15. So x equal to 15 by 3. 3 1 jar, 3 5 jar. X equal to 5. So check process. Here check process. 3x plus 1 is equal to 16. So 3, x value how much? 5 plus 1 is equal to 16. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. 16 is equal to 16. So ninth one. 3p minus 7 is equal to 3p minus 7 is equal to 0. 3p minus 7 moving to RHS plus. So p equal to 7 by 3. P equal to 7 by 3. Here check. 3p minus 7 is equal to 0. P value 7 by 3 minus 7. So 3 3 cancel. Remaining number 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So here RHS, LHS, RHS both are equal. So every time you are checking LHS, RHS equal. Next one, 10th one. 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. So minus 6n is equal to, this is a moving beside 7 minus 13. Plus 13 moving to RHS minus 13. So minus 6n is equal to minus 6. 13 minus 7, 6. So minus 6. So n equal to minus 6 by minus 6. 1. Here n value how much? 1. So once we are checking these one. 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. 13 minus n value how much? 1. 7. 13 minus 6, 1 jar 6 is a 7. So 7 is equal to 7. LHS and RHS. LHS and RHS. Next one, 11th one. 200y is equal to 49. 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. So here 200y minus 15 moving to RHS, what happened? Positive, so plus 51. 200y is equal to 49 plus 1 plus 51, 100. So y equal to 200 moving to RHS, here division 100 by 200, 20 cancel, 1 by 2. Y value how much? 1 by 2. Once we are check. So 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. 200 cross out, y value 1 by 2. 51 is equal to 49. Now 2 1 are 200 are. 100 minus 51 is equal to 49. 49 is equal to 49. LHS and RHS is equal. Next, 12th problem. 11n plus 1, 12th one. 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. So here 11n, 1 moving to RHS, 1 minus 1. n equal to 11, n equal to 0. n equal to 0 by 11. What is the 0 by 11 value? 0. So now n value how much? 0. Once check process. 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. 11 n value 0 plus 1, 1. 1 is equal to 1. LHS and RHS. Next, 13th problem. 7x minus 9 13th one. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. So 7x, 9 moving to RHS, 16 plus 9. So 7x equal to how much? 25. So x equal to 7 moving to RHS, 25 by 7. So here x value how much? 20 by 7, 25 by 7. These 25 by 7 we have substitute the equation. So 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. 7 cross out. 25 by 7 minus 9 is equal to 16. 7 cancel. 25 minus 9 is 16. 16 is equal to 16. LHS, RHS is equal. Next one, 14th one, 8x 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 30. So here 5 by 2 moving this side. Here 13 minus 5 by 2. Here see 8x equal to, here denominator is a 1. 2 13s are 26. 1 5s are 5 by 2. So 8x equal to 26 minus 5, 21 by 2. So now 2 moving this side, x equal to 21, 2 cross out 8. So x value 21 by 16, check one time. 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. 8, x value 21 cross out 16 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. 8 1 jar, 8 2 jar. 21 by 2, 5 by 2 is equal to 13. So 21 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. 26 by 2 is equal to 13. 2 1 jar, 2 13 jar. 13 is equal to 13. LHS and RHS. Next 15th problem. Four x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. So 4x equal to, these minus 5 by 3 moving to RHS, 9 plus 5 by 3. So here 4x, I hope every student dislike fractions problems, addition, none. So I said it directly. So 3 9 are 27 plus 5 by 3. So 4x equal to 27 plus 3, 32 by 3. So x equal to 32 by 3 cross out 4. 4 1 jar, 4 8 jar. 8 by 3 x value. Once we have checked. 4x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. 4 x value 8 by 3 minus 5 by 3, 9. So 4 8 jar, 32 by 3, 5 by 3 is a 9. Denominators are equal, numerators subtracted. 32 minus 5 by 3, 9. So 27 by 3 is a 9. 3 1 jar, 3 9 jar. LHS and RHS is equal. So only remaining one problem. That one problem are homework. Copy this one. Next one, example problems related to the exercise 2. Example problems relating to the exercise 2. So here we know in last class we are just complete discussing about the transversal. See, transversal. What is a transversal? What is a transversal? See, transversal means a line intersect with two or more lines, that is called transversal. Here see, a line intersect two or more parallel lines or distinct point parallel lines, that is called transversal. See, two or more parallel lines. Now we know this is a parallel lines. Two are parallel lines, no needed. Just two or more lines, distinct point. We keep a distinct point. Exactly some points. So these are two lines. Now another line intersect. So we know line, we know intersect, we know point. So that is transversal. So here one point, here one point, 2 points. So two lines and one line intersect two or more lines, that is called transversal. So transversal has forming how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So totally transversal how many angles having? 8 angles, forming 8 angles. So here we know intersecting angles, opposite angles are equal. So here angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 7, angle 6 is equal to angle 8. Next, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. So here, next, angle 1, angle 2. Here, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. These 4 are exterior angles. Exterior angles. So angle 4, angle 3, angle 8, angle 5, angle 6. These are interior angles. So next one, alternative interior angles, alternative exterior angles, corresponding alternative angles, like a different angles. So these all one. So in last classes only we are discussing. So just this is a basic information. So for 8 angles are forming. These 4 are exterior angles, these 4 are interior angles. Opposite angles are is equal. Adjacent angles are 180 degrees, and so opposite angles also is equal. So next one, corresponding angle. So one exterior angle, one interior angle is equal to that angles we are called corresponding angle. So here example problem. So if example 1, if L parallel to M, find the value of x. Find the value of x. So this is a parallel symbol. This is a perpendicular symbol. So L, M, both are parallel lines. So these both are parallel lines. Here transversal P. So here given question, 3x plus 20, 5x minus 8. So now this angle also 3x plus 20, this angle also 5x minus 20. Next one, this angle also 5x minus 20 according to transversal. So here see, these one also 5x minus 8. So here also 5x minus 8. How to know? Here corresponding angles are, see, sum of the 3x plus 20 plus 5x minus 8, both are 180 degrees is equal. Why? This is a adjacent angle. So sum of the interior angle is equal to interior angle of transversal is 180 degrees. So here see, this is a interior angle, this is the interior. This interior angle is equal to 180 degrees. Or so these opposite 5x minus 8. So according to the corresponding angles, one exterior angle, one interior angle is equal. So here 5x, so here 3x plus 20 plus 5x minus 8 is equal to 180 degrees. So 3x plus 5x, 8x, 20 minus 8, 12 is 180. So 8x equal to 180 minus 12. How much? 168. X equal to 168 by 8. 8 1s are 8 1, 21s are. X equal to 21. So 3x plus 20. 3, x value 21 plus 20. So 321s are 63 plus 20, 83 degrees. So this is 83. Next 180 minus 83. How much? 97. Or 5x minus 8. So 5 21 minus 8. 105 minus 8. How much? 97. So 97 83. So this is a angle 83. This is a angle 97. Copy. Next one. Here example problems 2 we are discussing after. Here see, sum of two numbers 29. One number exceed another by 5. Find the number. Here see, example, sum of the two numbers is 29. Sum of two numbers. Sum means adding. Two numbers adding, we get 29. So one number, let one number x. So another number, let another number. So exceed by 5 one number. So exceed by 5 one number. One number exceed means 5. 5 exceed. So one number x, 5 exceed x plus 5. So one number x, another number x plus 5. These two numbers we are adding. Sum of two numbers is 29. So sum of two numbers. What the two numbers? X plus 5, 29. 2x plus 5, 29. 2x equal to 29 minus 5. 5 moving to RHS. So x equal to 24. 29 minus 5, 24 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 12 ja. X equal to 12. So one number, is a 12. Another number is 12 plus 5, 17. That is next example. Yes, 4 times of a number reduce 5. That number is equal to 19. Clear? 4 times of a number. So now 2. Let's say we take one number 2. 2 times of a 2, 4. 3 times of a 2, 6. 4 times of a 2, 8. Like a 4 and that number we are multiplying. So here 4 times of a number, let one number is x. So 4 times Next problem. There are 90 multiple choice questions in a test. 2 marks are awarded for every correct answer. 1 marks is reduced from every wrong answer. If Sohana got 60 marks in the test while she answered all questions, so then how many questions did she answer correctly? So they are asking, see in mathematics, first your question you are easily understand in your mother language, so answer we have one idea how to solve this problem. So that mathematics also not to in our daily life problem you are understand easily, solution problem you don't understand, solution you cannot find. So here see, so Sohana attempt one test. In the test total 90 questions. Clear? Every correct questions 2 marks. Every wrong questions minus 1 mark. Clear? Every correct questions 2 marks. Every wrong questions minus 1 mark. So example, Sohana only 2 questions only attempt. One question is the right answer, one question is the wrong answer. Right answers 2 marks. Why one question? Every right answer 2 marks. Every wrong answer minus 1 mark reduce. So totally 2 minus 1 mark. So as is here we know one question is the right answer, one question is the wrong answer. But Sohana 90 questions attempt. Right answer questions how many we don't know, wrong answer questions how many we don't know, but total marks is 60. How many right answers, how many wrong answers? So here Sohana let Sohana right answer questions, correct answer questions. How many X? So now wrong answer questions. Wrong answer questions 90 minus X. Clear? Right answer, correct answer questions how many? X. Let means just your thinker. So wrong answer questions how many? 90 minus right answers questions remaining wrong answers. So next one here, correct answer question marks 2x. Why? X questions is a correct, each question is a 2 marks. So 2 into how many correct answers total we know. Next, wrong answer question marks. So 1 mark cross out 90 minus X. Here marks 2x. So 90 minus X. We know correct answer questions marks we know, wrong answer question marks we know. So here correct answers question mark minus wrong answer questions marks, we get 60 marks. So 2x 990 minus into minus plus 60. So 3x minus 90 is equal to 60. 3x is equal to 60 plus 90. 3x is equal to 150. x equal to 150 by 3. 3 1 ja 350 ja. So x is a 50. What is a 50? X. Correct answer questions. X. So 50. Correct answer questions. How many? 50. X is equal to 50. Wrong answer questions. Wrong answer questions. 90 minus x. So 90 minus 50. 40. So there is so many example problems. Just I said only one problem remaining. Remaining problems you are practice at home and try to you will understand. Next one. The present age Vijaya mother is 4 times of present age of Vijaya. So after 6 years, sum of their age is 62. So find their present age. This is also easy. Now Vijaya mother, not asking, not given name. So now present today Vijaya is C 4 times of our mother is 4 times of Vijaya. So Vijaya is let x. Just you. So our mother is how much? 4 times 4x. After 6 years. So x plus 6, 4x plus 6. These both are age is equal to 62 years. What is the present age? What is the present their ages? So Vijaya mother and Vijaya age. So last one, this is the example problem. Fourth one, let Vijaya present age. Clear? Let Vijaya present age x. Next, her mother present age 4 times of Vijaya age. 4 times of Vijaya age. So 4 into x. 6 years after Vijaya age, x plus 6. So 6 years after her mother age, 4x plus 6. So sum of the 6 years after, 6 years after, sum of their age, is equal to 62. So x plus 6 plus 4x plus 6 is equal to 62. X 4x, total 5x plus 12 is equal to 62. 5x is equal to 12 transform into RHS, 62 minus 12. 5x is equal to 50. X equal to 50 by 5. 5 moving this side. 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja. So Vijaya present age x equal to 10. So her mother her mother. Present age 4x. So 4 cross out 10. 40. So now both are 50 after 6 years. Here 6 years, 6 add 62. So tomorrow we are going to exercise 2. So there is so many examples. I said only 4 examples. Remaining examples you try to understand and practice at home. Shall leave the class. Take care.